So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today the reason behind making this video is how you can choose a topic for your YouTube channel. So when I newly started my channel, it was a really big issue that I don't know what to do after my video went viral. So what I just made a mistake, and just because of that mistake my channel is down. So here is some helpful tips from me for your channel. But before I start, let's take a look to my channel. I don't even have 100 subs and I'm talking about this. You're probably thinking, what kinda idiot is this? But I make some mistakes on my channel, which is the reason I don't have that much subs compared to my views. I will talk about that mistake at the end of this video, just because I need you get this tip first, so here we go. One of the most popular and effective way to get an spicy idea for your YouTube video is Google Trends. Now, what is Google Trends and how this will help you to grow your channel? Well, Google Trends is an website where you get the result of your topic. Let's just assume that you have a channel for gaming. So you can just search for gaming and it'll show how many people search for gaming this week, this month, and this year, so you will get an idea that this game and this topic is on trend. For this game people search most, so you can make a video on it, and also you can see about that game topic on YouTube to check the views of the videos, so you will get an idea for thumbnail and title of the video. Now let's talk about my case. So when my video went viral, I just get so confused and didn't put any videos on YouTube. You have to upload videos and make steady progress in uploading videos on YouTube. And second mistake was I never asked for subscribe to my channel. If anyone is watching your video, you must have to mention subscribe to my channel. It remind him to subscribe. That's my mistakes. What I gladly did on my channel. If you want to see that, check my channel. You will find many videos and my mistakes too. That's it for today guys. If you have any question, feel free to use comment section. I'll check you in next spicy video.